Greetings.
That one's gonna be so pretty.
It's a jungle in here. Alrighty, gang. So, as the thumbnail mentioned, I'm gonna build a little herb garden for my ducks. I also got a few other plants. We got like a bamboo, some grass. So with each one of these plants, I actually took a picture of it and ChatGPT'd it to make sure that none of them are toxic. And so far, all of them are good. There's a few that are probably gonna get nibbled to death. So we got that wire to put around them so that they don't eat them all to death. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start right here. We're gonna build a little herb garden right here. I'm gonna put like some plants around just to make this area nicer. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we gotta do is we gotta decide where we're gonna put all this. And so I'm actually thinking, here in a couple of videos, without giving too many spoilers away, we're gonna build something in this area, very mysterious. But I am thinking that I want to plant a bunch of these grasses, like kind of along the perimeter right here. Because most of that's rock and landscape, and that's all heavy traffic area of the ducks. The ducks have only recently discovered this area. So I think the grass is going right there. And then this bamboozle. By the way, bamboo is f***ing expensive.
You're not supposed to swear.
I know. I'm kind of thinking about putting it right there. We may have to put that wire around, like I said. I'm going to see how the ducks react to it. Just to help start hiding all that. This little guy and this little guy are actually going to get put, this one's going to get put on the outside right here so that it can grow up the fence, but to where the ducks don't maul it to death. And then this one,
What, the cherries?
no, that's the berry one. This one is the thornless,
Blackberry.
yeah, the thornless blackberry. And it's kind of a vine plant too, and so I'm actually thinking of putting it in this corner. So let's get started on the little herb bed that I'm actually pretty excited to build. And hopefully this turns out. So, oh, these are the ground covers, right?
Yeah, I think we should still do them though.
I think they need to be under.
Or else they're gonna get destroyed.
Yeah.
Am I
That
in your
already
way?
looks so much better with the bamboo right there, not even planted. The ducks are having a heyday. This pond and pin has actually fared a lot better than I thought it was going to. With how much duck traffic there is. There's a little bit over there that we need to landscape, and there's some domestic abuse going on in the pond. So yeah, double domestic abuse. We may need to call the duck police here in a minute. Hey! This is a PG rated video.
Oh my god.
Anyway,
So is National Geographic.
true. But we're not Nat Geo, so we can't get away with this stuff. But yeah, so most of that's just gonna remain gravel, rock, whatever. Keep them out of it. This is gonna be our planned area, so we just got rid of the cameraman. Oh God! Oh God!
I'm sorry.
Nice.
I'm sorry,
No,
Plant.
they're-
I'll go
It's
the
not the ducks I should be worried about, it's him! Look at those hoofs! He's gonna kill everything! Run, ducks! Run for your lives! Bam! Odie, attack him as soon as he get out.
Odie, Odie.
As soon as he gets out of the pin,
Hi,
fight him.
Odie.
So we're gonna start with this wire. And we're just gonna kind of roll out an area about how big we think it's gonna be. Doesn't need to be real huge because we don't have a lot yet.
And they also like coming up here to hang out.
Yeah. So we'll make that big enough.
Or are we just gonna, oh, we could do a circle. I guess that would be hard.
Alright. We have a visitor borrowing the pond.
They don't seem to care. think he wants to take a bath.
Is it counting up in the corner now?
Yeah, it is. That's what I thought.
So for the last 10 minutes, you're gonna get a slideshow instead of a video. Rookie cameraman.
Yeah, new cameraman. Got to train him in.
So we're just gonna wire this thing. Oh, we're getting the plants on the other side. Okay. So the idea here is we're gonna build a safe spot for the plants to be, and then as their leaves grow up, they can grow through this wire. We can plant our plants in. They'll grow through the wire and the ducks can nibble it. It's all plants that are good for them. But then they can't just come completely maul the situation. Like they like to do because they're destructive little creatures. I've never actually built a herb garden for ducks, or anything for that matter. I haven't even bought any of my ducks' plants ever. These ones are spoiled. One thing we do want to do is make sure that we don't leave any sharp edges out. And we don't want the ducks to actually hurt themselves on it. I'm gonna trim this right here in the middle. I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna work. It's gonna be really, really cool if it does. There we go. Now we have a cute little area. With the idea of doing this littler wire, I want it small enough that the ducks can't stick their beaks through it and nibble on these plants when they're... So that'll keep like the core of these plants safe. So we'll get a little strawberry. I don't know if I'm going to plant a strawberry in there. Or plant it somewhere else where it could maybe grow up that fence or something. Maybe I'll plant it like in this corner. Put some little wire around it just to help preserve its life. The idea is start laying this out and seeing a simple one. We do the mint in that corner, something in that corner, they're gonna have a whole salad here for them. Oh, that mint smells so good. Sniff it. Here, take a sniff. Yeah, you can smell the mint from there, huh? We'll do these plants in here like this. Then we got some ground covers. Yeah, I think I'm gonna plant the strawberry outside so that it can't get got too hard by it.
Brief intermission until the council returns.
Yeah. That is our subtitles for Cave Monkey.
We dubbed it.
Okay, nobody's coming to help us. I'll go get the shovel my damn self. It was right there, but the gate's clear over here. So I know the pond looks kind of gross, but it did just get completely drained and filled up. Like the water coming out right here is fairly clear. It's just ducks, you know? Yeah, get a close up of that dirt. Just nice garbage soil. Oh, there's rocks right there. Oh my god, she's helping him break out. She's letting the bastards go. Thought we were friends. There goes all my hard work. We have we have 10 escaping convicts, and they have an enabler. They don't even seem to be a remote bit sorry. Bullshit. We'll just act like nothing's happening. Now either this is gonna go one of two ways. The ducks are gonna be gentle and love it. Or I'm gonna come out tomorrow and $35 will be down the drain. They're going to maul it.
Is he gonna maul it?
These damn ducks are spoiled.
Don't even buy grass for myself.
I know. There we go. First plant in. And it's beautiful.
Green.
I'm thinking the other one we should put about right here. Not digging in the duck pen in my Hayden.
Not a sponsor.
Thanks for clarifying that. Here, go kick this one over so it comes out of the pot.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. Didn't even need to get kicked. These will be fine, right? Do not take a step back. That plant's already been gotten by you once. Look how the rest of the yard have good dirt like this. Why
No
would it
duck.
have to be in the duck pen? I hope these don't die. Because it will turn out pretty cool if they don't. But you see those little dinosaurs over there? Apparently they're plastic monkeys.
Microplastics are good for the environment.
Good thing they're not turtles. They'd be goners. Said they're trying to eat plastic. Hugo said microplastics are good for the environment. I said it's a good thing they're not turtles.
Oh yeah, that thing's ready to be potted up.
Released to pasture.
Free range grass, you heard it here, folks. First, folks.
They can't talk.
You heard it here, folks, first. Folks here first here heard it, folks.
First, fast, have a stroke.
You know how many times I have to refilm intros and stuff because I just word salad right out of the gate?
I wish there was a way to refilm live, you know?
Yeah, because I word salad right out of the gate a lot.
Yeah. Especially when it's Gold Star comedy.
Okay, that's that for the grasses. Now,
Bamboo?
alright, come here you big old boy. Grab it by the scruff of the neck. Oh, yeet. No pots were harmed in the making of this video. See? Word salad. Why? There you go, little buddy. Gotta make sure to get behind the ears. Sorry, Grandma. I really do try to raise her
Sorry,
right.
Grandma.
She just
My bad.
is an unruly one. Don't want to listen. All right. Question is, how do you get these little shits out? Oh, it came out like butter. That looks like a damn weed. Nummy weed. Come on. Scared to death that one of these I'm just gonna rip the plant out in the pot and the soil's gonna stay. Okay. Look at that. We have a herb garden for the quackins. All right. Now what else do we have left? Ooh, this one. We'll dig down a little deeper than the pot just to make sure this corner's a little hard. All right. Now, this guy. Can't have all of the plants over there in that corner. Pretty sure that this one's a spotlight though, so it's definitely gonna need a cage around it. This one and the strawberries. Look how good that's looking. Yeah, ducks would waste this one. Oh, here they come. Oh no. Got that one in. I think we about got them all. We, yeah, just need to get, oh yeah, that berry bush. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. Oh, and our ground covers. There was only 3 plants. Well, yeah, bastards. I tell you, none of the packaging is labeled the same anymore nowadays. Open up a bag of chips, not even a quarter full. Buy 4 plants, only get 3. I'm over it. I think we won. Look, they're on their way back to come eat all the plants. I mean, all the darn plants. Better hurry and build those cages. So for now, I think I'm gonna leave this wire open. Eventually I'm gonna fold it shut. They can't fly in there, so. But I'm gonna leave it like that for a minute and just kind of let everything grow and make sure everything's established so I don't need to get in there, and then I'll close it up. So I'm gonna go wash my hands and build some cages real quick to put around a couple of these plants, and we'll be right back. Alrighty gang, we are back, and as you can see, I got wire around the plants that I think the ducks are gonna eat the most. And that one, and that one. Once they just get established and good and growing strong, I'm gonna pull the wire off of them because I want the ducks to have shade to grow in. I think these grasses will be fine. I'm gonna monitor them. I'm gonna close this wire up here in a couple days once I know these plants are doing all good. But yeah, that's it for this video. I do have a really cool build plan for in this general area that I'm standing in. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss that video. But yeah, so we're gonna be done for today. If you guys liked it, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.